Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial video, and in this short tutorial video I'll be showing you how to stake TIA on Leap. It's easy to get this done. Open up your browser and log on to leapwallet.io. Once there, simply scroll till you find the option to get yourself the Leap wallet via the Google Play Store, the App Store, Chrome extension, Edge extension, even Brave. So all you need to do, let's say you've got an Android or an iOS device, click on any of the links and you'd be sent to the supported stores where you can get the Leap wallet. So I've already installed my Leap wallet. So all you need to do is click on the open option. So guys, once you're on the Leap wallet, all you need to do is the icon at the top right, which signifies your network. Click on this icon and switch to chain. And we're going to be moving from the Cosmos hub to the Celestia, as that is where our transactions are going to be taking place on the Celestia chain. Make sure you have some Celestia token you'd like to stake. And as you can see here, I've got some Celestia. So my next step, or the next step I'm going to be taking, is I'm going to be clicking on the stake icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. So once you click on the stake option, click on stake. And now all you need to do is to avoid the big names. Like we have Node Stake, which have over 1 million TIA staked. We have Clean, we have XPRV. You have to look for small staking avenues where you can earn from the validators. As you can see, Maria has good staked amount, and as you can see, the appreciation is also there. This is the commission, 5% commission. And if you simply scroll down, you can find better options where you can stake your TIA tokens. So all you need to do is find an option of your choice, avoid all the big names, and once you found an option, simply click on the option to stake. As you can see here, we've got Maria. Click on this, and all you need to do now is enter an amount of TIA you'd like to stake. So let's say 0.1 TIA is going to be staked, and the validator is Maria, and the transaction fee is shown. All you need to do is click on review and simply click on stake TIA. So click on stake TIA, and also note that unstaking will take 21 days to complete. And as you can see here, we've currently staked some of our TIA tokens on the validator Maria, and the transaction ID is provided. And now we have the right to vote. We have some voting power. We can delegate, we can stake, we can unstake via the Leap wallet. And once that's done, you'd find the transaction is successful. We can now delegate some of our TIA tokens. We can have some staking done. We can have some voting done. So guys, click on the done option and you'd find that in your deposited amount, we have $1.81. That's 0.1 TIA tokens. And if you head back home and reload, you'd find that your portfolio has reflected the change. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.